Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to compete Active Campaign versus Convertkit. Let's get into it. Active Campaign is all about power and flexibility. It's got advanced automation, a full feature CRM, and a ton of integrations that make it a powerhouse for businesses that want to scale. If you are running a company with a lot of moving parts, multiple products, complex customer journeys, Active Campaign is designed to handle that with ease. ConvertKit, on the other hand, is more focused. It's built with creators in mind, bloggers, online course instructors, and content creators who need a simple, streamlined tool to manage their audience. It's easy to use, and while it might not have all the bells and whistles of, say, Active Campaign, is incredibly efficient for what it does. You get email automation, tagging, and sequences all in a clean and simple interface. So here's the thing. Active Campaign excels in complex automation and CRM integrations. You can create highly customized workflows that can handle a variety of triggers and actions, perfect for businesses with complex needs. While ConvertKit is more straightforward, its automation is designed with simplicity in mind, making it ideal for creators who want to focus on content rather than getting bogged down technical details. Another key difference is in the CRM functionality. Active Campaign includes a built-in CRM, whereas ConvertKit does not. If managing customer relationships is a priority, then Active Campaign has the edge. So which one's for you? If you're a creator who needs something straightforward and effective, ConvertKit is a great choice. But if you need more robust tools for a growing business, then Active Campaign is where it's at. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.